I'm home. Door ajar. So I don't need my key today. I may as well leave it. But there's nothing I can do about that. Like this. I gotta tell you about the local Maoists, the Avakianites. They come by just about every Saturday across the street from where I live. This is where the middle income white people development across the street. They always try to organize a potluck dinner with their housing project neighbors. I never go. I don't think anyone does. I don't know. So, if you've never been inside the project, now you have. See, look at this. Our local Maoists. But they're not, I don't know if they're local. But, if I get out of the house at the right time on Saturday, I'll introduce you to